Hello everyone, today I will be talking about homeostasis' positive and negative feedbacks. This video is made by me, Dareen Sawalhi. This is what I'm going to be talking about today. First, I'm gonna say what is homeostasis. After that, I'm gonna talk about positive feedback, then negative feedback. Now, let's start with homeostasis. Homeostasis, what is it? It is the regulation and maintenance of a constant internal environment of the body despite its changes in the external environment. The homeo part of the word means unchanging, and the stasis part means standing, which when combined together means stays the same. There are two feedbacks the body uses to stay stable, the positive feedback mechanism and the negative feedback mechanism. Now, let's explain positive feedback. Positive feedback is used when the body needs to increase a stimulus more so the body can benefit from it. It usually increases the stimulus until the benefit is gained. Then after that, it stops increasing the stimulus because it has already gained the benefit from it. Here is a real-life example of positive feedback. When a woman's body is ready for childbirth, it contracts. But those contractions aren't enough, so the body releases a hormone called oxytocin. Oxytocin increases the contractions even more so the child can get out. As you can see from the picture, it goes into a loop until the child gets out. Now, let's talk about negative feedback. Negative feedback is used when the body needs to decrease or reverse a stimulus. It maintains a stable environment by using homeostatic control. Homeostatic control is a system that decreases or reverses a stimulus, and it usually goes in a loop until the environment in the body is stable. These are the homeostatic control steps. First, stimulus. It is the change in the variable. Then, receptor. It is what detects the change. Then, control center. Information from the receptor travels along the afferent pathways to the control center. The control center determines the appropriate response. Then, effector. Information that was sent from the control center travels down the efferent pathways to the effector. Then, response. A response from the effector balances out the original stimulus to maintain homeostasis. And as you can see from the picture I put here, it goes in a loop until balance is made. An easy acronym to remember it is some reptiles can eat rice. Here is a real-life example of negative feedback. Here is a scenario. It is very cold outside. Your inner body temperature decreases due to the weather. The receptor detects the change in body temperature. The receptor sends information to the hypothalamus, which is the control center in this scenario. Then it decides on what information to send to the effector so it can increase the body temperature. The effector takes information from the control center and makes it happen. The information that's from the control center are to make your body shiver, to create vibrations between your muscles so it can make heat. Also, your blood vessels constrict and the blood moves to your vital organs, which are the heart, lungs, and brain. These signals will make you think about your decreasing body temperature, then you will go wear clothes that will increase your body temperature. Your response. In the response, these things will keep happening until the balance is restored. The summary. Homeostasis is the regulation or stability of the internal environment of the body. There are two mechanisms of it, positive and negative feedback. Positive feedback tries to increase the stimulus, while negative feedback tries to decrease the stimulus. That's the end of the video. Hope you understood and enjoyed the video.